Hello everyone, Larry Satchwell here again with the first smart camera bird feeder of the year. My subscriber, Antor, sent me this. He represents a company, and Antor, I don't know how to say this name, UHAOO. But it's a smart bird feeder. It identifies 10,000 different birds. I don't have 10,000 different birds. But let's see what it is. He asked me to review it. This is not a paid promotion, but he did send it to me free of charge. So right on top, got the user's manual. Nice packing here. Well packed. Has the roof on top. Well, that's a different color. And even has the instructions on what to do and what not to do here. It's a separate solar panel, so there's the mounting for the solar panel. Oh, here's the bracket. It's heavy. That's one of the first things I look at when I'm looking at a bird feeder, how heavy the bracket is. Will it support the weight of a raccoon should a raccoon get up there? This is probably the solar panel, although it's a little bit large. It is. Oh, and it contains everything else I need. Has the tools to set it up with. Comes with thumb screws. Some little spikes here if you're going to put fruit on it. That's good. Waterproof cover. The mounting screws. The charging bracket, or the charging cord, and a couple other things in here I can't get out. Oh, the strap, in case you're going to put it on a tree. I don't recommend that unless you're in an area that doesn't have any squirrels or raccoons. You know, with the Smart AI, what I'd really like to see is the antenna. There's a bird feeder that comes out that can identify a squirrel and sound an alarm, or better yet, a little hand slaps him in the face. I don't know if that's going to help Gregory. He's got boxing squirrels. But here's the feeder itself. And like all of these feeders, there's going to be a perch in here. There it is down at the bottom. Like all these feeders, it's not legal for them to send it in the mail charged, so I'll have to charge this up. Charging ports right back here. The charging cord out. It takes usually 5 or 6 hours for these to charge fully, and you want to have them fully charged before you start to set them up. So, easy enough for that. I'll get a USB port and look over the user's manual to see what app I need, and we'll get it set up tomorrow. It's raining cats and dogs right now, but it's supposed to break tomorrow and have a nice sunny day. So I'll be back. To set this up, you're going to need to, first of all, put on the antenna and make sure you're near your Wi-Fi server or your modem. And then you'll need to go to the Viacom app and just point your camera there and it will take you. I already have this app, so I'm going to open it. Oh, it needs an update. So I will update it. Open the app and I'll sign in. This is my stuff you can't see, and these are the cameras I have on there already. Up here on the top, you'll see where it says to add a camera or add a device, and that's what I want to do. So the first thing I'll need to do is to take off this protective cover. Tilt the camera forward. Take off this protective cover, and I want to turn the camera on. This is already charged overnight. I heard a sound, so I'll go to the next step. It's searching for my camera, It's already found it. Now, I want to 2.4 GHz. A lot of people have both, so this is the point where you want to do the 2.4. This is my passwords. I can't show you, but I'm going to go to the next step. I'm confirming that I have all of that. I want to join. So I got that, and I'm going to join. It's already connecting the device.
Connection succeeded.
There we go. Connection succeeded. So it's found it. It'll register to the cloud, and it's going to initialize the device. So I should be seeing everything right here. Here we go. All right. This is the smart camera. Front door, living room, back door. I'm going to put this one probably near the garden. If you want to add your own, you can just put that in there. I'll go to the next step. It's checking the Wi-Fi strength. And right now the strength is medium. So I'll go to the next step. This shows you how to put everything in if you don't know how to do that. And so we'll go here. I'm going to use the solar panel and auto charging. So I'll save that. I'll go to the next. This shows you how to put in the best angles for your location, how to screw in the camera device, and we're all done. So I should start seeing this. And there we are. It's connecting. It's slow. And there I am. Now that we have everything set up, I like to set the camera up before I put the thing together. So let's put it together. So let's get the rest of this assembled. This can only go on one way. If you try to put it on backwards, it will not work. And then you insert the little thumb screw to secure it. It has nice drainage holes, a lot of them. The camera itself is something 65. In other words, it can get rain and snow on the bird feeder itself, but you can't put this thing underwater. The roof opens up sideways, has very good directions. So put this side on first. Press down on this side. Press hard on that side, and then it snaps here. And then it opens. Nice wide area to put the feed in. So the only thing left to do is to mount it. The sun is in and out. It's windy. Let's see if we can find a place to put this. When mounting this, you have several options. You could put it on a tree with their strap, and it would look like that. I wouldn't do this if you're in an area with a lot of squirrels or raccoons, unless you have some kind of a barrier down below it to keep them from coming up or down. But there's a lot of other options. Using the drilling guide, I could also attach it here to the children's playhouse, and it would be a perfect match, and I could put it right there. Another option, maybe you have a deck, you could use the bottom and mount it like this, but that would just be asking our barn cats to kill birds. So that's not an option for me. The option I'm going to use is to put it on a bird pole and mount it in here and use their locking pin. Using the peel and stick drilling guides, I'm going to put it on this scrap piece of wood. So once I have it stuck on there, it's just real simple to drill some pilot holes on this windy day. Then using the screws they provide, I'll just screw it right there. And of course it fits perfectly. And I can mount the solar panel right here with the screws provided by the solar panel. You can also do this with a hand screwdriver without any problems. I forgot to tell you, if you want to do it on brick, you can just use these little plastic inserts. So now that I've got that set up, I can put the solar panel on here. I can make adjustments for it so it makes sure it's hitting the sun. Before you mount the bracket, take your bird feeder to where you want to put it and make sure you have a signal strength. Strong is good, medium is okay, weak is okay most of the time. But if you don't have a signal, you're going to have to take it closer to your router or get an extender for outdoor devices. So this mounts on here with this Allen screw, just like that. Now we can go put it on my pole. So now I can mount it on my bird pole, tighten the little screw here. Face the solar panel to the sun. You don't want to put the camera in direct sunlight. Well, it's all set up. Let's see how long it takes the birds to find it. Who's going to be first?